Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll see some of the keyboard shortcuts that is necessary while formatting the numbers. So select the range of data where you want to apply the number formatting. The first shortcut key is Ctrl Shift and $sign to include $sign and two decimal places. The second shortcut key is Ctrl Shift and percentage, so to change it to the percentage format. And the third shortcut key is Ctrl Shift and # key. So Ctrl Shift and # is to display the date. And the next shortcut key is Ctrl Shift and @ or @ symbol in order to change it to time format along with AM or PM. And the last shortcut is Ctrl Shift and exclamatory mark. So Ctrl Shift and exclamatory mark will actually give you a comma separator along with two decimal places. And after this, one more shortcut that we have is Ctrl Shift and tilde. This is to general format. So just press Ctrl Shift and tilde and there you can see general formatting. And that concludes this video. If you are watching my video for the first time, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Also click on the bell icon to receive further updates.